ఫోకస్ లెన్స్ కదా టైం లాప్స్ పెట్టితే బాగుంది ఎంతైనా ఇక్కడ క్యాప్చర్ అయింది ఫోన్లో క్యాప్చర్ కదా
అంతే మన కళ్ళు వేరు కెమెరాలు వేరు బ్యూటిఫుల్ లొకేషన్ సీరియస్లీ సీ deep in the jungle Nalamala finally reached to Atmakur Karnool bus stop at 2:30 AM from Hyderabad. Let's have breakfast and then we'll head to Venkatapuram. We got into an auto rickshaw from Atmakur to Venkatapuram. We'll be there in next 20 minutes. They charge 100 rupees because buses was not there. This is the route. Venkatapuram Lord Shiva Temple. Rajesh has dropped me over here. So now we will be starting our trek officially. Means we'll start our walk from here. People are walking. So all these who are walking will be our company in our next journey, next adventure, man. Hello. Okay. Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am means me and Mahesh, we are going on a new adventure. It's not a new adventure, most of the people know that. To Sri Shailam, most of the devotees take a pathway from Venkatapuram, which is located in Karnool, to Sri Shailam, that is 60 kilometers forest route. I'll show you a beautiful thing currently, morning at 6 o'clock. See the beautiful sunrise from Venkatapuram. Beautiful sunrise in Nalamala forest. This is seriously amazing, man. See the sunrise before we start our adventure. Sorry, we have already started, but see the sunrise. Very beautiful. With this whole bunch of people behind me. Just started our walk. It's been only just 2 kilometers we just crossed, and beautiful sunrise along with this. Crazy people, crazy. We see a bunch of people. Wow, 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 wow. It's really wonderful, man. Wonderful. Wow. beautiful place. See. Don't know what are these flowers. Wonderful, man. Adventure is just started, so no comments, just enjoying the view. Beautiful. So within few miles or kilometers we'll head to mountains. We will be in mountains. See there, which is showing currently. This is the path. After 5 kilometers or 4 kilometers, I did not count of walk, we have reached to Anjaneya Swami temple, a tall statue. Jai Bajrang Bali. No chuttu. So big it is. So big. Jai Bajrang Bali. Too tall, na? Jai Bajrang Bali. Right, we are here at Nagaluti Dargah. Bayerluti Dargah or Nagaluti Dargah, not sure of the name, but Dargah. In the jungle, once we cross Hanuman temple. Okay, it's under renovation. Once we take darshan of Hanuman, then there is a tradition that we have to take darshan of this Dargah as well. Not sure of the name of this Dargah, but Bayerluti Dargah it is. See the beautiful. So we have come from this route, now going in this route. So left side Dargah will be. I think there is a Chenchupenta too. Let's see. Looks like tribal village. It's called as Chenchu. The origin tribe of Chenchu is Nalamala. People who live here. So see, this is a Chenchu tribe. Their home. So this is the first Chenchu village which comes in forest. Anna, ఏ ఊరు అన్న ఇది ఊరి పేరు? చిన్న నాగలూటి. ఆహా. ఓకే. Hello beginning man. Wish I get chocolates. Shit. Next time we'll plan accordingly, properly. Dogs are joyful. So looks like police will allow vehicles still here only because there is a forest checkpoint, but there is no official police over here. Probably they will be ahead to check the luggage and see the hills are started. Move 1 or 2 miles. Post that we'll have to step on to the ancient step which was constructed 1327 AD. I'll show you those also and I'll give you the details. So we'll have boats like this, which help us to navigate to Srisailam. This is the route. Beautiful. Full of jungle. So we'll find the signboards like that and we'll have to follow them. The people we were walking along with them were having their breakfast sitting behind us, and we just wanted to, we'll connect them over Nagaluti temple. We'll be joining with them over Nagaluti temple. Currently me and Mike walking. We will have signboards like this, so until we know the route we'll walk. Was that we'll wait for those gang who already know the route. Like this we have boats. Srisailam Kudari. In Kannada also. Telugu. We haven't yet reached Nagaluti, but see how this Mike is unable to carry his bag. So this is the first water stream that we cross officially. This is the water stream in the wild jungle, man. See, have to cross this path. Oh, no, not sure from where this water is coming. Might be from Nagaluti. Let's see. The wild water stream. Some old construction which has demolished, and forest camp, I think. Maybe this is the route. This route, Srisailam Kudari. See, from this water stream, this left. God, it's not so easy, but really enjoying, man. Yeah, nice. Mai etlundi mai?
Jabardast.
Kan painful undi kada? So some old construction. What do you have? See, I don't know where this route leads. That stop. Srisailam Kudari. So looks like this is a checkpost, but there is no forest officers to check. We haven't yet reached Nagaluti, man, but we are tired because of lot of luggage that we are carrying. Oh no, we reached Nagaluti. Sorry for that. Just now I can see the temple as we just stepped here. See, reach Nagaluti. Oh, we haven't yet stepped the mountains too. So from here the mountain steep starts. There is a temple.